video I want to talk to you about common exfoliants and common exfoliating ingredient in cosmetic formulation. Okay, when you're formulating exfoliating scrubs or exfoliating product, there are things you can use that's going to really help you. One of the most popular exfoliant I use is apricot shell shell. Okay, this apricot shell powder is a bit more tiny. It's good, you can use it to make a scrub. Okay, and it works very well with different skincare ingredients. So this is something you want to consider going for. Apricot shell exfoliant is a very good exfoliating scrub to include in your formulation. Also, you want to, when you're making something like a foot scrub, for instance, you can also include this exfoliant called ground walnut shell. Okay, it's a bit still stronger than apricot or kernel, but consider it when you're making maybe foot scrub or something to undo a tougher part of the skin, but not the face. Okay, so that's another very good exfoliant that you can continue to use when formulating an exfoliating scrub. I'm going to open both of them so you see how they look, and I'm going to take them, bring them a bit up so you see them. This is how it's so smooth. As you can see, this is apricot shell. It's smoother, as you can see. So now you can use it to make face scrub, but just make sure you advise your customer to be careful when applying them because they have issue of scratching the skin. Also, this is ground walnut shell, so you can see it's still, the particle is bigger than that of apricot shell. So when you want to make foot scrub or something like that for a tougher part of the skin of the body, that is when you use this. Okay, don't use this for face, no. Now let's talk about, I'm going to put this aside, let's talk about others. Another one is Pumice Stone. Okay, so Pumice Stone is very popular. You can use this to make face scrub because as you can see, it's smoother. Okay, let me zoom in. As you can see, it's smoother, it's more good for the face. But hey, when you are making it, make sure you tell your customer to be careful to apply gently on any part of the body that you want to use this for. It's very good for making body scrub. You can use it to make face scrub, but be careful when using it. It has to be applied gently because it's a stone. Okay, it has a tendency of scratching your customer's skin. I've personally used it to scratch my own skin too. While using the product I made with this, so you have to really be careful. Tell your customer to be careful when using this exfoliant. So that's about it for this exfoliant. Now another exfoliant that I'm going to talk to you about that are much more better is Colloidal Oatmeal. This can be used as an exfoliant and it can also be used as a thickener. Okay, so keep that in mind. Colloidal Oatmeal, use that 1% in your cream or even your exfoliating product, can go a long way. This is different. Make sure you don't buy regular oatmeal. Make sure you go for colloidal oatmeal. Colloidal oatmeal has a bit of more nice texture to it. It's a bit more creamy. Okay, so that is something you can. It's also almost in the same place as arrowroot powder. Okay, it's almost in the same page as arrowroot powder. So these are great exfoliants to include in your skincare formulation. So keep that in mind. I'm just showing all those to you so that you will be on the same page here. Now another very important exfoliant, okay, is bamboo charcoal powder. Okay, activated charcoal powder. This is the bamboo format. Be careful, it's very dusty when you're working with this. As you can see, this is it, very dusty. You can use this to make good exfoliating face scrub. You know, it's smooth, it's from bamboo, it's very it works really well, especially when you're making product for acne prone skin, oily skin. It really helps to absorb that excess oil from the skin and going to leave the skin really radiant and younger. And make sure when you use any of this exfoliant to make your product, make sure you tell them to use a moisturizer, because when you exfoliate your skin, then you have removed excess oil, meaning you have drawn part of the oil from your skin, and it's very good to replace it. So that's why you have to use a moisturizer. So I hope this exfoliant that I talked to you about have helped you out. Basically, exfoliants will be added to the cool down phase of your formulation, okay, depending on the type of formulation you are making. If you are making the creamy one, make sure you include it in the cool down phase. If you are making the one that's not creamy, make sure you also include it in the cool down phase. There are tons and tons of exfoliants. Other exfoliants include clays like Multani Meaty clay, but that is going to be for another video. I will show you my range of clays and how I use them in formulating green and stable skincare products. I hope this video has helped you out. On this channel, I tell you more about skincare ingredients and how to use them, and this is what I do best. And we also use some of this to make our projects, okay, formulation projects at naturalskincare.com. So if you want to learn more about making great and stable skincare products, that website is for you. So head over to naturalskincare.com and join and be a part of the exciting project that we have going on. That channel is for upcoming formulator. If you know how to formulate, if you know how to do DIY, you can easily follow step-by-step instruction. That website is for you. We can teach you how to make different skincare products with our own custom made. We have our own in-house R&D team, including a dermatologist that makes formulas for us. So, and those formulas are made available after clinical trial. They will make them available on the site for all our members. So head over to naturalskincare.com to join today and become a part of the exciting thing that we have going on there. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching.